Hey friends, if you wish to strike through text in Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, the easiest way is to select the text, and in the Home tab in the font group itself, there is the symbol here for strike through, which is AB and then a strike on it. So this is the easiest way, but if you wanted a shortcut, then there is no shortcut. Here's what you can do. Press Ctrl plus D and then press Alt plus K. It will select strike through and then hit enter, and this way you can do it through the keyboard only without using the mouse. So there is basically no one key shortcut for the process, and you will have to use the shortcuts to open the font group and then select the strike through option, and then you can hit enter if that is how you want to do it, I mean by using the keyboard. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.